In this worksheet called exact match, we want to calculate the numerical score from the rate table. Okay, we have a rate table and we want to calculate the numerical score. So we have a rate table. We want to calculate the numerical score over here from which will be converting these ratings into numerical score. We have fair here. It should be 71. Oh, it's getting 50. There is something wrong here. Now, formulas may get you some wrong answers sometimes. It's pretty okay. There's nothing wrong with it. Why we are getting a wrong answer here? It says fair. It should give me 71, but it's giving me 50. So maybe there is something wrong with the formula. So let's take a look at this. I'm using a VLOOKUP formula. So it says VLOOKUP E2, which is this rating, looking up in AB, comma 2. Okay. So let's understand this. Now, right now, the formula is looking for this rating in an approximate match, the last argument of this function. So if I take a look at this, we lookup value is this satisfactory. Where I do want to look up in column A and B. And where is my answer? My answer is in column number 2, which happens to be column B. Now, do I need an exact match or an approximate match? Now, I cannot look for these ratings in approximately. I need these ratings in an exact match. I want these ratings to be exactly the way it is. So I can select false. False means exact. Seriously, yes, false means exact. Or I can also put in 0. 0 means false, and false means exact. Or you can close the parentheses, you will get 78. And satisfactory is 78. And in Excel, we type formula only once and then we copy. And I'm going to copy this backward. Here we go. We get an answer. So sometimes when you say that, okay, I put in the formula, but I'm still not getting an answer, maybe you need to check for the some of the arguments that are there in the formula. So maybe you're using an approximate match when the exact match is important, required. Maybe you're using an exact match or approximate match when the exact match is required. So either one of it. So there is something that needs to be checked. And if don't use 0 or if I use approximate match, I'll still get a wrong answer. So exact true or false can make a big difference. Now, when I say that you can use false or 0, I can use false, which means an exact match. You'll get the same answer. Here we go. No changes. Or you can use 0. We see that. You still get the same answer. Or you can choose not to put in anything. Comma is fine. Just put a comma, and that is an exact match. So, comma, putting a comma and removing the comma can make a big difference. So, comma means an exact match. Comma means that you have activated the next parameter. Comma means that you need an exact match. So comma is absolutely fine. And you got an answer here in an exact match. And we can see that everything is working fine. And here is, we are getting NA because there is no rating here. Let me put here a rating. As soon as I put a rating, you get an answer here. So this table is converting ratings into numerical score with this table. Now this table can be on this sheet. This table can be on a different sheet. This table can be anywhere. What have this table is on a different sheet. Now I can insert a sheet and I can put this table on a different sheet over here, rate table. If I go back here, I'll not get anything because it is referring to something which doesn't exist. But you can put a formula again, VLOOKUP, convert this rating. Now table array is on different sheet here. And you select it, comma, 2, comma, enter. You get an answer here. Now it is referring to sheet number 1. It is going to sheet number 1 in the column A and B and giving us an answer, which is absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with it. You We'll be using different sheets on different occasions. You can connect different sheets, that's okay. Be very careful when you connect different files. So E2, let me fix that, comma, this, you get an answer. So I don't need this one. Let me delete this sheet one. We look up in an approximate and an exact match. Approximate, you don't need to put a last parameter. That by default is an approximate. If you need an exact match, just put a comma, zero or false, either one of it, that works. For approximate match, you need to make sure that your data is sorted ascendingly. In exact match, you don't need to sort the data. Why? Because it will find the data values exactly. So it can be in any order. It doesn't need to be sorted. So you can have the data in any order. It doesn't need to be sorted. We look up in exact match and approximate match that we saw here.